This is what 6 a.m. looks like, and it really does put things into perspective, especially how important the US and the UK is. People in the UK are so stressed all the time, and a lot of it is the environment. If people of the UK, the Brits, would travel more, you'd see, why do we do this to ourselves? But there's this deeper love for our country, and without the US and the UK and the Five Eyes countries, you'd see that to be a lot more challenging, because people really do not care. If it's not on your doorstep, people do not care. And this is why it really highlights the importance of the movie. With so many people in the UK, you keep saying we're watching a movie. Yeah, we are. In America, you're seeing that even more so now with Islam, because you don't understand it unless you're in the UK. In the UK, you understand why people are so stressed, because the immigrants are in our hotels, it's all on our doorstep. Yeah, and it's being pushed like that on purpose. However, this has been going on such a long time that no one cared back then. And it's only now that they're really showing us, because they control the mainstream media, they're pushing it so much in our face because something's getting done about it. But again, it needed something like this to snap people out of it, because no one cares. But this is the life that you're going to be able to have once this whole evil comes out, and it will. They're showing us continuously. This is going to be a routine for us to be able to travel without the stresses, without worrying about having to go to work, affordability. We're going to be able to start living this world the way it was intended to live. To start with, we need to know about it. And for that, we need a foundation, freedom. So for everyone in the UK, we've got about a whole period now where it is going to be more corruption coming out. It's the only way we're going to learn. And with that is darkness, is how we react. And the same every time, the anger, the negativity, the fear. That is the issue. That's what people need to work on. And it will get worse, first of all. But bring awareness to when you're projecting to others. You don't need it. We're in full control. We've always been in full control, and it's got better and better and better. If you still do not want to look over at Donald Trump and the US military, that's where you're stuck. No matter what anyone else tells you, that's where you're stuck, because that is the foundation, that's the pinnacle of all this. That's what ties it together, and that should be quite obvious and easy to see now. But freedom is such an important thing. And honestly, the world that we're all going to experience, we haven't even got close to it. This, for me, is heaven. Brazilians don't have a clue even what's going on in the world, and they don't know their full potential, because there's so many restrictions in these sort of countries too. As soon as the world starts uniting, it's going to be magical. So again, people, ride it out, work on yourself, learn from what we're being shown, because no matter how much you moan, it's still coming out. Nothing you're going to do about it is going to change that, because it has to be this way. So enjoy it, because it's only going from dark to light.